Hi everyone, so my name is Putu Karina Andiniasa. You can call me Karin or Karina for short, and my number is 15 12 4 11 and 11.
Hello everyone, my name is Yanis Karisa Kristi. You can call me Janice, and my number is 15 12 4 1135.
Hello everyone, my name is Nika Dian Tias, Nico for short. My number is 15124 1183.
First, before we're going to the presentation, have you guys ever heard about wearable heart rate monitors or wearable fitness tracker? Do you guys know these two are how IoT or Internet of Things contribution in healthcare? But before we're going deeper, I'll explain to you what is IoT. So IoT is one of the biggest innovation in modern technology. IoT is a concept that various things such as devices are connected and also communicate by the internet. Basically, it's allowing the devices to collect, share, and also exchange the data. But how is it work? There are 5 steps how we can get the information that we need. The first step is data collection. So IoT devices, they have the sensor to collect the information from the surroundings. And next is connectivity. After the data is collected, they send it to the central data to being processed and also the analyze it. After the data is finished, they send it back to the IoT devices, and yes, that's how we can get the information that we need. Like I said before, IoT have a various contribution in healthcare. I'll explain to you 3 of them. The first one is wearable health monitoring devices. So the devices are able to track the vital signs such as heart rate, sleep trackers, blood pressure, and etc. Next is smart hospital infrastructure such as smart bed. So the patient can adjust the incline from the bed so they can feel more comfortable. Next is remote patient monitoring devices. The devices can monitoring of patient vital signs and also the medical condition. These are the timelines how IoT contribution in pharmaceutical sector. Start from 2010 until 2012, the foundation and early use. In this era, they introduced the RFID and barcode system and also early temperature sensor used for cold chain monitoring of vaccines and biologists. Next is 2013 until 2015, the automation and remote monitoring. So they found the emergence of smart pill bottles and also used the implementation of IoT for automated medication dispensing in hospital and pharmacies. Next, from the era in 2016 until 2018, the regulatory integration and analytic. So in this era, they use the IoT data for predictive analysis and forecasting. Next is 2019 until 2021, the telepharmacy and advanced tracking. So they grew the telepharmacy and also deployment the real-time GPS. Next, from 2022 until present, AI and IoT convergence. The integration of AI with IoT and also the expansion of the smart wearable integration, like I said before, the wearable smart devices, and also the cloud-based pharmacy platforms that can automation and patient engagement.
So it's my turn. I would like to explain about a real world of IoT in pharmacy. IoT especially in pharmaceutical industry, empowers the patients with smart devices that can monitoring of drug processes in a real time, improving medication adherence via smart devices, improving drug quality control, and optimizing supply chain logistics. First thing first is monitoring drug process in real time. So IoT allows real-time monitoring of every step in the pharmaceutical production line, from raw material, mixing, reaction, granulation to packaging. Data from machines and environments like temperature, humidity, pressure, pH, and etc. is constantly transmitted and can be accessed remotely via cloud dashboards. And IoT helps ensure optimal use of raw materials and precise control of processing parameters like temperature, flow rate, mixing time. Sensors can detect and stop a faulty tablet pressing machine before thousands of defective pills are produced. And the second is monitoring medication adherence. So Patient medication adherence can have serious health consequences. To address this, researchers are proposing a portable, small-sized pill box with the goal of improving patient adherence during both indoor and outdoor activities. So, patient medication adherence can have serious health consequences. To address this, researchers are proposing a portable small-sized pill box with the goal of improving patient adherence during both indoor and outdoor activities. With the help of the pill box, physicians can make real-time adjustments to the patient's medication schedules using a web application, which are then saved into the database on a remote server. The IoT pillbox can communicate securely with the server and acquire an updated medication regimen. And the third is improving drug quality control. IoT helps control the quality of pharmaceutical products, mainly as embedded sensors monitor the condition of the manufacturing process. These sensors monitor the drug's parameters and trace its production history, including each contributing element and every stage in the pharmaceutical supply chain. So the sensor track the parameters and the history of the drug along the chain of events and the source of each element contributing to the pharma production. With AI integration within the IoT ecosystem, it is easier to detect slight degradation, predict where the trend might lead, adjust the environment as needed, or trigger an alert. With advanced features, the IoT softwares can even flag a piece of equipment that may be on the edge of failing or has some abnormal conditions. And additionally, through IoT in pharmaceutical industry, manufacturers can manage patient compliance by leveraging the right connected devices, such as pill bottles, connected pills, dose, self-reporting, and etc. And the last one is supply chain logistics by IoT CMS. IoT CMS is designed to formulate the effective storage guidance under a cold chain environment. The wireless sensor applications are built on IoT platform to achieve the goals of real-time monitoring and alert management. The design of application consists of 4 major levels, such as device layer, two major layers such as device layer and connectivity layer. This data recorded on the blockchain provides end-to-end visibility and helps prevent the distribution of counterfeit or compromised drugs. For temperature-sensitive drugs, any deviation from the required storage conditions will be immediately recorded and flagged, allowing for swift corrective action. And furthermore, blockchain can create an immutable record of each step in the drug's journey from manufacturer to patient. This transparency can help identify and eliminate inefficiencies in the supply chain, reduce the risk of drug shortage, and provide assurance to patients about the authenticity and quality of their medication.
Let me explain how IoT or Internet of Things brings advantages to modern pharmacies. The first one is improve patient safety. IoT helps reduce medication errors by using automation. It can also monitor if patients are taking the right dosage at the right time, even from a distance. The second one is increase efficiency. With IoT, we can track medicine inventory in real time, so pharmacists don't need to do it manually. It also automates routine tasks like reminding patients to refill prescriptions. And the third one is data-driven decision making. IoT collects and analyzes data on how medications are used. This helps pharmacists make better decisions for patient care based on real information. Although IoT has many benefits, there are also some challenges. One is high initial cost. To start using IoT, pharmacists need to invest in devices, software, and training. This can be expensive at the beginning. The two is technical challenges. IoT needs a stable internet connection. If the system or internet fails, pharmacy operations could be disrupted. Three is training and adaptation. Pharmacists and staff need time to learn how to use the new technology. Some may also be resistant to changing from the traditional way of working. When using IoT in pharmacy, there are some important ethical and legal concerns. One is data privacy and security. IoT collects sensitive patient information. If not protected properly, this data could be leaked. Pharmacy must also follow health data protection laws like HIPAA or GDPR. Two is informed consent. Patients must be told when their data is collected and how it will be used. This ensures transparency and respect for patient rights. Three is liability and accountability. If a smart system makes a mistake, like wrong dosage or tracking error, someone must take responsibility. This raises legal question about who is accountable. And that's all our explanation about the role of IoT in modern pharmacy. Thank you for listening and see you next time.